Dear students, Namaste. Let us discuss the new experiment number 6 under the subject Pharmacology and Toxicology for Diploma in Pharmacy, second year students. Myself, Mr. Vijit Ankush Kutre, working as a lecturer in KCD's Krishna College of Pharmacy, Karan. So, what is the title of experiment number 6? To prepare the physiological salt solution. In short, PSS means for physiological salt solutions which provide the basic requirement to allow the specific organ, tissue, muscles from the animal as well as human. So why we prepare this physiological salt solution? You should pause this video and write in your own language why we are using this physiological salt solution. My dear students, whenever we inject any saline to the person, that is similar with that physiological salt solution. So the very important point is what is the composition of bringer or physiological salt solution and what is the function of this physiological salt solution. So all of you remember that by using the different chemicals we will prepare this physiological salt solution in laboratory. That's why students should have some intellectual skill as well as motor skill also. Student can understand the mechanism of action of the ions. Students have the ability to weigh the accurate chemicals as per the requirement and follow the methods or stepwise procedure to prepare this physiological salt solution. So what are the requirements? Requirement: weighing balance, beaker, stirrer, spatula, butter paper. And here is the very important list of chemical which is very important to prepare this physiological salt solution. Number 1 is sodium chloride. Second, potassium chloride. Number 3, calcium chloride. Number 4 is sodium bicarbonate. Fifth is sodium hydrogen phosphate. Number 6, glucose. Number 7, distilled water. These are the basic composition, basic chemicals which is used or required to prepare this physiological solution. Remember always, every chemicals have a different role in that physiological solution. So what is my question? What is the use of physiological salt solution? And what are the different chemicals or composition of chemical which is used to prepare this physiological salt solution? I think you got the answers of all these questions. So please listen till the end of this experiment. You got all the questions or you clear all the doubts related with this experiment number 6. So this is the stepwise procedure how we will prepare this physiological salt solution. We just weigh all chemicals accurately by using spatula, butter paper. Then dissolve all alkali type chemicals, sodium hydrogen phosphate, glucose, calcium chloride in the distilled water. But remember, it dissolves separately in a beaker. Then add a required amount of sodium bicarbonate with sufficient volume of water. But there is one question which is asked in exam. Why we are using sodium bicarbonate and why we are not adding sodium bicarbonate and calcium carbonate or calcium chloride at the time of the exam or before starting the exam? Because sodium bicarbonate is react with this calcium chloride and the formation of precipitate with that calcium. So that's why we are avoiding this calcium chloride and sodium bicarbonate. We can't add at the same time. Whenever we start the exam, before going to the starter, we add the sodium bicarbonate, dissolve it, and add to the chemicals. This is the very important part. So all of you know why we are using this sodium bicarbonate and what is the actual process to adding this sodium bicarbonate. So now very interesting table for you people. So this is the very interesting table which will cover all your doubts. So as per the chemical, there are total 8 chemicals which is listed in this table. Sodium chloride, potassium chloride, calcium chloride, magnesium sulfate, sodium bicarbonate, sodium dihydrogen phosphate, potassium dihydrogen phosphate, and so what are the types of these physiological salt solution? So remember, the composition are different parts and types are different. So type number one is frog ringer. Second, the Jalon. Number 3 is ringer loki, and number 4 is grape solution. So number 1, frog ringer, loki, Jalon, grapes. These are the 4 different types of PSS, that is physiological salt solution. So what is the functions of this each and every chemicals which is used to prepare this physiological salt solution? This value indicates the quantities which is required to prepare a specific type of physiological salt. So what is the role of sodium chloride? What is the function of sodium? Isotonicity, isomolarity, contractility, excitability. So this is the role of potassium chloride, which provide the ionic balance, calcium chloride, which provide the contractility, magnesium sulfate stabilize the preparation, sodium bicarbonate provide alkaline medium, sodium dihydrogen phosphate as a buffer, potassium dihydrogen phosphate as a buffer, glucose to provide the energy. So this is the different roles of different chemicals which is used in physiological salt solution. And this type of questions may be asked in your exam, like what is the use of sodium chloride? Answer is here. What is the use of calcium? Answer is here. What is the use of sodium bicarbonate? Answer is here. So this is the very important point. Before going to the next experiments, all of you should know what is the PSS and what are the chemicals used to prepare this physiological salt solution and what is the role of that chemicals. Main short, these all chemicals alive the tissue, organ or muscle throughout the experiment, and this is the use of physiological salt solution. I hope you clear all your doubts. So these are the different questions. You should listen again and again this experiment, this video, and complete these all questions in work. So I hope you understand this experiment number 6. Till you are not subscribing my channel, please subscribe my channel and share with your friends which is taking the admission or admitted in the second year diploma in pharmacy as well as degree college also. So thank you so much. If you have any doubt, message me in description box. Thank you.